Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to work on geometry, type of triangles. A triangle is three-sided shape and we have different type of them based on sides and angles. Based on sides, let's start to check the first type of triangle, which is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle has following characteristics. Let us call our equilateral triangle as A, B, C. First, all sides are equal in length. That means length AB is equal to length BC. This is equal to length AC. And this is shown by using these signs. Second, the sum of interior angle is equal to 180 degree. When you add the interior angle, you get 180 degree. Third, all angles are equal. And is measured 60 degree. Fourth, equilateral triangle has three lines of symmetry. It has three lines of symmetry. Let us see the characteristics of second type of triangle, isosceles triangle. Let us call our triangle as triangle A, B, C. First characteristics, two sides are equal in length. That is, side AC is equal to side AB. Second, the sum of interior angle is equal to 180 degree. That means if I call this angle as angle Z and I call this angle as angle X, and this one is also X because they are equal, if I take Z plus X, I'm going to get the sum of interior angle equal to 180 degree. Third, the opposite angle, they are equal. Opposite angles are equal. That means angle ACB, this is equal to angle ABC. That is X is equal to X. Third, we have scalene triangle. Let's see the characteristics of scalene triangle. Let us call it as triangle ABC. First of all the sides, side AB and side BC and side AC, they are unequal in length. All sides are unequal in length. Second, all angles are unequal. Let us call its angle as angle X, Z, and Y are unequal. That means angle Z is not equal to angle Y, is not equal to angle x. Angle Z is not equal to angle Y is not equal to angle X. Third, the sum of interior angle is equal to 180 degree. That is angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z. This gives us 180 degree. Fourth, scalene triangle has no line of symmetry. No line of symmetry. Also, we have type of triangle based on angles. First, we are going to see characteristics of acute triangle. Let us call our triangle as triangle A, B, C, and its respective angle are angle X, Y, and Z. First, all angles are acute. All angles are acute. This means all angles are less than 90. They are less than 90 degree. Second characteristics, the sum of interior angle is equal to 180. That is, if I take angle Y plus angle Z plus angle X, that is equal to 180. Sum of interior angle is equal to 180 degree. That is X plus Y plus Z. This is equal to 180 degree. Let us see the second type of triangle, that is right angle triangle. Let's call it as triangle A, B, C. The first characteristics of right triangle, one angle is exactly 90 degree. One angle is exactly 90 degree. And they show it by using this symbol of right angle. Let me call angle at A as angle Y and angle at B as angle Z. Let us move to the second characteristics. The other two angles, they are acute angle. Other two angles are acute. That is angle Y and angle Z. These are acute angle. Third, right angled triangle obey Pythagorean theorem. Obey let us call this side as side A, and this let it call as side B, and the longest side, hypotenuse, let it call as C. According to Pythagorean theory, the sum of the square of the short side is equal to the long side square. That is A square plus B square. This gives us C square. Let us see the last type of triangle, that is obtuse triangle, and I'll call it as triangle A, B, C. And let's call its angle as angle X, Z, and Y. The first characteristics is one angle is greater than 90 degree. For the case of our triangle is angle Y. One angle is greater than 90 degree. That is angle Y. Second characteristics, the other angle are acute angle. That is angle X and Z, they are acute angle. This means they are less than 90. Other angle are acute. That means they are less than 90 degree. Third, the sum of interior angle as for any triangle is equal to 180. That is X plus Y plus angle Z. This gives us 180. Sum of interior angle is equal to 180 degree. That is angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z. This gives us 180 degree. I hope you understand about type of triangles. For more video on geometry, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.